Hi everyone, this is Engineer Rafi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 3 of the video series for our subject Analytic Geometry. Okay. Today's topic is we have equations of line. The general equation of line and the standard equations of line. Let's start with the general equation of line. We have ax plus by plus c equals 0. Okay, this is a line in general equation. Like for example, we have 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. Okay, for the standard equation, we have slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. This is in the form y equals mx plus b, where your m, that is the slope of the line, and b is the y-intercept. Now the general equation, we can convert it into standard equations. Like for example, this one, 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. 3x plus 2y plus 4 equals 0. Then we will retain 2y here, and then we will transpose 3x and 4y to the other side of the equation. It will become negative 3x minus 4. Dividing both sides of the equation by 2, our y is negative 3 halves x minus 2. 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2. Negative 3 halves of x. So our equation is y equals negative 3 halves x minus 2. Our slope here is negative 3 halves and the y-intercept is negative 2. So if the slope is negative, again our line is expected to be decreasing from left to right. Let's try to graph this line. If x equals 0, the value of y equals, if this is 0, the value of y is negative 2. If y equals 0, the value of x, if this is 0, what is the value of x? Then we have to resolve. Okay, transposing negative 2, it will become 2. That is equal to negative 3 halves of x. So 2 times 2, that is 4 minus 3x. So x is 4/3 negative. 4 divided by 3 is something 1.33. Negative 1.33 in decimal. So x is negative 4/3. Okay, so in the graph we have 0, negative 2, and y is 0, and then x is negative 4/3. That's 1.33. So our graph is like this. So now if you want to know the inclination of the line with the x-axis, okay, this angle, we have tangent theta, that is equal to slope. Okay, this is our formula. So tangent theta, that is equal to negative 3/2. Theta is inverse tangent of 3 halves. Inverse tangent of negative 3 divided by 2 is negative 56, or say 56.31 degree. Okay. Next, we have number 2. Can I write here? Number 2, we have point slope form. Point slope form. This one is in the form y minus y1, that is equal to m times x minus x1. This form is used when the slope is given, okay, and at least one point along the line is given also. Okay, so let's try the same example, that our slope is equal to negative 3 halves, and say for example one of the point is 0. Okay, this is 0, negative 2, 0, negative 2. If we will be using this equation, if we will be using this form, the equation of the line should be y equals negative 3 halves over times x minus 2. Okay, let's try. So y minus y1. y1 is negative minus 2. That is equal to the slope negative 3 halves times x minus 0. So y minus 2, that is y plus 2. Okay, y plus 2, that is equal to negative 3 half of x. So y equals negative 3 half of x minus 2. Transpose positive 2 to negative. To the other side, it will become negative 2. So now it will be, it's now the same. Okay, y equals negative 3 halves x minus 2. Okay, so please don't forget this formula. Another one is we have the intercept form. Okay, number 3, we have the intercept form. Intercept form. We have if given the x and y intercept of the line, okay, our equation will be x over the x-intercept plus y over the y-intercept, that is equal to 1. In some other books, they are making it x to simplify a plus y over b equals 1, where a is the x-intercept, y is the y-intercept. So like for example, in our still the same example, let's try if we can make the same answer. Okay, x over the x-intercept here is 4/3, right? 4/3. This is negative 4/3 and this is negative 2. So x is negative 4/3 plus y over negative 2, that is equal to 1. Okay, what we are trying to prove is that these forms, okay, whether it is intercept form, point slope form, slope-intercept form, okay, it will be all equal together. So these are just forms of the equations. So if we will resolve this one, we should come up also with y equals negative 3 over 2 x minus 2. Okay, all of this, okay, will be the same as when you convert it into the general equation. It will all be the same. Okay, so here we have negative 2x minus 4/3 of y divided by 4/3 times 2, we have 8 over 3, that is equal to 1. Okay, cross multiply with the other side, we have negative 2x minus 4/3 y, that is equal to 8/3. Okay, now we will multiply again by 3 to eliminate. We have 3 times negative 2x, that is negative 6x. Okay, 3 times 4/3, that is we can eliminate this one, so the remaining will be negative 4y, and that will become 8. Okay, can I continue here? Now we can divide both sides of the equation by 2. So negative 6x divided by 2, negative 3x minus 2y equals 4. Okay, so negative 2y, that is equal to 3x plus 4. Transpose this one. Divide both sides by negative 2. Y is negative 3 half of x minus 2. So we still come up with the same, with a while ago here. The same. This is also the same. Okay, so that's it. The other one is the fourth one is given 2 points. Given 2 points. Okay, but given 2 points of the line, you must take first the slope of the line. Calculate the slope of the line. Okay, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then when you have the slope, you can use the other point. Okay, either of the point, then you can use this formula, point slope form. Okay, so these are the equations of line. Okay, we can able to use this one for any problems in the board exam. Okay, so please don't forget to click subscribe for the next video. Our next topic will be intersection of 2 lines. Okay, given 2 lines, what is the point of intersection? That's all. Thank you.